it again, Dexter.
Art, I don't want to alarm you, but...
In your metro, they don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, yeah. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch, mask on.
Nice try. Your act's over, Bub.
You may win this time. Shiakazi!
Holy
It's got that like you got that something that I need I like so give it to me. It's got that like you got that something that I need I like that I need so it's got that like you got that something that I need I like so give it to me.
Guess you wonder where I've been. I walk around like that.
If you can't appreciate what I'm trying to do for you, then you don't deserve this job.
Oh, yes, Daddy.
Hey, Vsauce. Michael here.
What are you doing? Get off my face! It's over!
No way! I've gone through too much!
Get off of me, quitter!
No! I'll never quit! I am the quitter!
Here we go, baby.
Vincent, you gotta stop this! He's gonna kill him!
He's still got a minute to go.
Oh, these cookies fucking rock. These cookies is good. Good? These Subway cookies is fucking good. Give me 2 more. Give me 2 more. They good. Give me 2 more. They rockin'. Give me 2 more.
Sure is boring around here. Maybe I'll go bust a nut. Mr. Krabs, I'm going on break. I need to bust a nut.
Mr. Squidward, there's no time for busting nuts today. We've got orders to fill.
But Mr. Krabs...
No buts. I need to go and finger me booty. I mean, count me booty. I'll be in me captain's quarters. Don't come by.
Oh, this is unbearable. I need to bust a nut. Hey, Squidward, come on down to the nut bucket. You can bust as many nuts as you'd like, and I'll even give you a free nut bucket helmet. I can't just leave, but I really do have to bust a nut. All right, I'll be right there.
3 moments later.
Ah, that was the best nut I've ever had. Thank you, Plankton. No problem, Squidward. Come on down to bust a nut anytime you'd like.
I'm gonna say the N-word.
No! If you say the N-word, you're fired!
Nigga! Get out! It was worth it!
All girls are the same. They're running my brain. Think I need a change before I go insane. 10 minutes, she told me it would take 10 minutes.
He sings a love song as we go along. When we're all together dancing cheek to cheek.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
Malachi.
How old are you, Malachi? And where are you from? Who are you with? Are you a bit nervous? All right, Malachi. Good luck.
Listen.